Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm just bringing you along to show you our Texas Roadhouse food haul. They had a special going on because it is hard still to find some essential things, and we're tired of eating chicken because it seems like that's all we can find in the stores is chicken if you're lucky. It's to the point, what kind of chicken we're going to cook tonight, how we're going to cook it. So the restaurant, Texas Roadhouse, did a thing where essentials where you get some meat. You can either get a a vegetable box or a fruit box, some milk and some eggs. So this is what Ricky went and waited 2 hours to get. So we got a gallon of, it's 2% milk, and got a dozen eggs. And I'm assuming this is the meat tray. Oh yeah, so I'm not gonna touch it, but in there is beef tips and like T-bone steaks, sirloin steaks, ribeye steaks, and their seasoning and stuff. So we're gonna repackage all of that. I don't know if you got to see that good. So we'll repackage all of that, and I'm gonna let him move it real quick. That did ain't good. And even potatoes and stuff like that here are hard to find too. But we got onions, bell peppers, zucchini, yellow squash, broccoli. There's some potatoes down here. They don't look the best, but at least it's food. This big old green bell pepper. And down here is some romaine lettuce, and got that. Or like I said, you could have got a fruit box, fresh fruit box, but we got the vegetables because honestly it's hard to find here. So I just wanted to bring you along, show you this haul. It was kind of pricey in my book. It was $90, but Ricky thought it was a good deal. I can eat vegetables all the time and beans and bread. But Ricky and Alex, they have to have their meat. That's how he was raised. You had a meat and 2 vegetables every meal. We was lucky if we had sweet milk and cornbread to eat. So, anyway, this is our haul. How are you doing in your area? Is essentials hard to find? I know now baking things is almost impossible. I had someone comment on my yeast bread, on my bread that I use yeast with, that finding yeast now is you can't find it. And people are actually starting to barter essentials just to get some yeast to bake your bread, sugar, flour, and all of that. I did luck out and get some. I was able to find some bread flour at Sam's right when the truck came in. So I got a big old 25-pound bag of that. Get the cats. But no self-rising flour and stuff that I use for my biscuits, so I'm just kind of holding on to that. And so we're still hanging in there. How are things your way? Most of you know my daughter is a nurse. That worries me so bad, and there are protocols we have to do when she comes home before she can come in the house, and then after she comes in the house, and we have to do in the house. And the reason why you haven't seen a video, I woke up one day in a lot of pain, and half my whole face was swollen. It looked like I had been beat. My eye was so swollen that it turned black all the way down to my jaw and my neck. Can't go to a doctor now. All you can do is call, and you can't show up at the ER either. You have to call here. So I called my doctor's office. They did a video chat, and she called me in some antibiotics and told me just to stay in bed because they didn't want me up moving around because they really don't know what type of infection. It was either sinus, abscess, whatever. So the infection went and spread and stuff. So that's kind of what's been going on here and everything. So I hope everyone is well, and I hope everyone's doing great. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.